Hello, this is Joanne. Welcome back to my channel. For anybody that's new, I have 67 raised beds currently that are at the beginning of this year that I started. I have new ones, but they're not in production yet. So I have 67 raised beds in my garden. I try to keep them as weed-free as possible. I actually love pulling weeds. It's my favorite relaxing thing to do. But I was just reading an article recently that said, it was about this woman who was selling her house, and she had just the most gorgeous gardens you could imagine. And she said that it was not a good selling point because people saw it as a lot of work. So let's put that to the test today. Let's see how long it takes me to pull this grass out of this bed. This bed has been mulched. It has not been mulched heavily because I had seeds starting in it, and I tend to start mulch really light. And I'm running on a broken paw still. In my last video, I ran without it, and then it started to bother me, so I put my brace back on. So let's see how long this takes. I'm going to flip over these timers. They are not by any means scientific timers. They were inexpensive timers I got on Amazon or Target or something along those lines. Online purchase. They even said in there that they weren't accurate, but we use the 15-minute timer on the end here. That's my daughter's reading thing. She has to read for 15 minutes. So we use that every night, almost every night, and the other ones we use for different things, but I don't use them for cooking. They're just fun gadgets. So they're glass, so I'm always afraid of breaking them. So let's get started. Let's see how long it takes. I'm going to be using my left hand, which slows me down. Let's get going. Now we're going to tip these over. 60 minutes, 45, 30, and 15. Again, not scientific, just the timers that I have. Well, I think I got 95% of them. Did I get them all? Probably not. Never do. But there we go. Oh, and you know it. I look over here. I must have missed these. Oh, no, they're dead. They're already been pulled. And like all humans, I make mistakes. Not perfect. All right. Well, let's start this. I'm going to do this all over again. there are my 4 little squashes that I planted. They're summer squashes. They're kind of drama greens a little bit. They get the heat and then they wilt. So if yours do this, don't panic. It's just midday wilt. Most of the time they'll just pop right back up. I'm just going to give them a little bit of water with my watering can, and they should be fine. We're expecting, today is Friday. It's Friday. Today is Thursday. We're expecting rain on Sunday. So I will come back out here. I probably won't use the hose on them, which is hooked up to city water, drought watch. But I will be able to use the water in my water barrels that I've been saving. So it's kind of a good thing. I'm glad they gave us the water barrels. Well, they didn't give them to me. I bought them. But they were at a good price with the county. So there you go. Let's see. My camera says that I've been recording for 29 minutes, but that doesn't include the time I talked in the beginning or the time that I'm talking now. So I have 67 raised beds. They will not all take this long. They will, some of them will be shorter, some of them might even take longer, but these were actually the ones that were worse. So that's it. I got a tree over there. See that silly tree way there? I keep meaning to pull it out, but I haven't yet. And it's a slow growing tree, so I'm not too concerned. So enjoy. Happy gardening. Don't give up. It's easy to give up in gardening, but don't. It's more than worth it. So enjoy. Happy gardening.